Interesting day coming in for the markets, and let's look at what they're doing this afternoon as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade as well. So today the Nifty, the indices hit new high, claimed new hits as well, new hit for the first time. For Nifty it was 16,500 for the first time, while the Sensex is trading clearly above the 55,300 levels. Nifty as of now is trading around the 16,500 levels. It's slightly below the level. It's 16,500 levels as of now this afternoon. So both the Nifty and the Sensex surely trading in the green, gained more than 0.7% in trade as well. On the other hand, when you look at the broader markets, they seem to be underperforming. The benchmark indices, they're down by 0.2% in trade, they're declining in trade, and surely trading in the red this afternoon. Now, moving on, let's look at the individual stock movers in trade that we have today. So starting with Tata Steel, the stock is up as much as 1.5% in trade after an upbeat set of numbers was reported by the company in Q1. The steelmaker has actually swinged into a profit this time versus a loss last year, as well as the revenues of the company have also doubled on a year-on-year basis. The company has also reduced its net debt and the gross debt during this quarter as well. So interesting earnings coming out from Tata Steel. Moving on, we do have Trident, which is in focus as well. It's up as much as 5% in trade today after a robust set of numbers was reported by the company in Q1, where the company's profits have jumped multi-fold, while the revenues of the company have also more than doubled on a year-on-year basis. So that's what is keeping the stock in focus today. We do have Hindustan Construction as well, which is in focus today. It's climbed as much as 5% in trade after a solid set of numbers was reported by the company again in Q1. The company has swinged into a net profit this time versus a loss last year, as well as looking at the revenue jump. Also, the top line has jumped up by 46.2% on a year-on-year basis. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals, one more stock which is buzzing on the back of its numbers, a strong set of numbers again reported by the company. So 4% jump is what we are seeing in the stock price of the company. Other than that, even Minda Corp as well as KNR Construction, both these are up almost 1% in trade on the back of their Q1 numbers, upbeat set of numbers, results reported by both these companies as well. Now, among the top losers, obviously, no doubt, it is Aurobindo Pharma that is down 6.9%, 6 to 7% almost in trade after its results. So we are seeing the US sales were very weak compared to what the expectation was. The revenues also have fallen by 3.8%. Profits of the company have slipped by 1.7% as well. So that is something that is concerning the street as well, and we will surely keep an eye out on how the stock does at the end of the day as well. But as of now, Aurobindo Pharma falling in trade, down almost 6%.